Today we'll be cooking up a couple of beats using loops, but we're not just going to use them as is, we'll be manipulating them or adding stuff to them because I feel like that makes things a bit more interesting. And I'll be doing that with the help of today's sponsor. Wavegrind reached out to sponsor this video, and they sent me their absolutely massive producer growth kit. The kit contains thousands of high quality samples, MIDI files, drums, and more. I was blown away with just how much stuff is actually included in this kit. I'll leave a link below where you can grab this kit if you like what you see in this video. Let's get into the cook-up. So we're just gonna have a browse through these melodies here. Alright, yeah, let's use that one. And I'm gonna grab some stems. Let's pitch it down 100 cents. And maybe mute the guitar and flute, at least for now. Then I'm gonna open up Omnisphere here and get those Memorium Bells because I think that they'll pair nicely with this key melody. And I'll just start laying down some simple dark melody type stuff. There it is. And I'll cut back on those lows here. And maybe some RC20 for additional color. Let's pull back on those noise and space parameters. And I want to layer everything with a piano. Do some octave layering to fill it out. And since we added the fifth to the D, we might as well do the same for A and B flat. Yeah, that's hard. Again, just cutting back on those lows to prevent any muddiness from creeping its way into the mix. I want like a punchy snare. Ooh, that's perfect. Get some hats here. And I don't want to get too crazy with it. Yeah, that's basically it. Get rid of this and copy the first part over. And now we need some bass. Hey, there we go. See if we can beef that bass up a little bit. And lastly, we need a beefy kick. Now we can start to arrange this. And just to see how the beat works with vocals, I'm just gonna throw in a Joyner Acapella here.
Hey, fucking niggas talking about bitch. Before I made meals, it was open night farewell, nigga. I'm popping out, bitch. Get in my stance, I stick at your hoe in my pants like a pocket out, bitch. Stick to my plan, got plenty ammo in my van. I'm hopping out, bitch. They done got a nigga started, I ain't stopping out, bitch. Can't walk in my shoes, these crocodile, bitch. So you niggas no blacking mouth, bitch. Fuck it, I'm blacking out, bitch. This the type of shit I make a nigga hop behind the heat. The type of shit to make a nigga aim and chop out the beam. I used to be the underdog, now I'm rocking out arenas. Everything I touch is water, and I got about a liter. This Nana Aquafina, this PH3. Tell your offspring I'm DAD, and your bitch say I'm her BAE. And I love it when she give me HEAD. She know I'ma kill that CAT. Bandana tie like PAC. I don't even get high off THC. I got a natural vibe at ADHD. I've been BAD since I was like 2. Nigga, I'm in truth. I put my life on it, I die in the booth. Couldn't touch me with a flying suit. Street nigga, but I still look fine in a suit. I'm the guy in the roof. I'm not a gangbanger, they lying to you. I'm actually the guy that they hired to shoot. I've been dying to shoot. I don't like rules, I'm tired of rules. A presidential, that's how I introduce. Make one phone call, I fly in the troops. This is landmine, you gon' die if you move. Duck, duck, goose, nigga, I'm the goose. Duck, duck, goose, nigga, I'm the goose.
Let's see if we can cook up something else real quick. Maybe check out these bonus melodies. Oof. Yeah, that's the one. Let's pitch that down by about 400 cents and bring it up to 120 because I prefer working in even number BPMs. All right, I'm gonna add a flute to this. Let's see, maybe this one. And I want some mad bouncy type shit right here. Cut the lows. Throw on some RC20. Increase the space a little bit. I don't want to add anything else because I know I'm just going to overcomplicate it. So let's get started on the drums. Lay down a crash. Add some hats. I want to throw down a snare roll kind of thing here at the end for bounce. Now I'm gonna find some Percs. And I think I'm just gonna use the same 808 I used in the last beat because I don't feel like digging through a bunch of samples, and I know this one will work. Finish it off with a kick. Now I'm gonna get this mixed and arranged and sent over to a friend of mine for vocals. I've known Wills for well over a decade at this point, and we've worked together on a number of projects over the years. He has an album dropping on January 27th on all streaming platforms, and if you like what he does with this beat, then I encourage you to check out his album when it drops. I'll leave a link to his Spotify below. And thanks again to Wavegrind for reaching out to sponsor this video. You can find the producer growth kit down in the description section below. Now let's see what we've come up with.
Yeah, sunshine in my gland, the world is unkind, I need to unwind, give it one time for my fans, till I'm done rhyming, I'll come for mine, so don't be undermining my stance, throw a punchline or crush the spine in a back stance, picking up the cheddar like I'm Pac-Man, cop a half gram and bust a line, I need dopamine to be taking over me, to get the most out of roasting the slow MCs, and I so believe that when I flow the beats, I make the skinny women jitter and they overreach, it's just science. Woe is me is woe, baby, I'm hoeing freely, but I'd rather watch hentai while I get sly at the Best Buy. Senpai, notice me. I've had a long week, a star at war where the Padawan be. Sticking your nose into somebody's title would being the greatest ain't that a long reach. You fantasy better sticking to Babylon Beach, cause man, you be tripping sticking to rapping on beats. Player, you the socks in this outfit, baby, I'm the hat, you ain't never pull a rabbit out of me, cause I'm the magician, the tyrant technician. I juggle your mind with my eye on a mission. The kind of decisions that Kyle envisions are based on the fact that it's wild in prison. It's time to be living, time to be different, sticking to the right timeline every day. Unless you wanna chase enemies, avenge felonies, then you spend your lifetime in a cage. Ay.